In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure default log and track settings in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your settings, which is this gear icon that we can see on the upper corner. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see all of the settings that you have available. Into this case, just proceed to click onto the marketing options that we have right here or to the email option from the general tab. Once we're in there, we can see right here our actual emails. So for this case, let's deliver and then locate the tracking and logging option. You can enable that if you want. You can also click onto the search bar in order to make things easier instead of navigating to other options. So head over and click onto the tracking option for the email. So you can enable this if you want and also disable some track clicks, source tracking, identity tracking, and the likes. So just edit it as usual. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.